How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about cleaning your system with apple cider vinegar. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So one of the ways to clean your system in 24 hours is to drink apple cider vinegar, you guys. Most people, when they are trying to detox their body, they take in way too much apple cider vinegar. How much apple cider vinegar should you drink? The answer is very simple. You only need a couple of tablespoons twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. Seriously, that's all you need, you guys. Believe it or not, you can actually overdose on too much apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, THC detox, again, you don't need that much to actually see the results, you guys. You don't need to drink any more than, again, 1 to 2 tablespoons. So again, believe it or not, drinking too much is actually harmful for your body. A lot of people ask me too, how much apple cider vinegar should you take before bed when trying to pass the apple cider vinegar THC test? The answer, again, is only a couple of tablespoons. 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon at night. That is all that you guys need. I will also tell you guys another way, because a lot of people, they ask me what are some more ways to help them out with passing the apple cider vinegar test with cleaning your system out. What's another way to do it? Another way to clean your system is to drink a package of Certo and Gatorade, you guys. The reason for this is because Certo has pectin in it, you guys. So again, add the Certo to the Gatorade. Only 1 package is needed. What I like to do is drink a little bit of Gatorade before that you guys do this. So drink a little bit of Gatorade, put the package in, mix it up, drink it. It will detox your body. Now, this isn't just for people trying to pass a THC test or pass a drug test. It's also to help you cleanse your system, help you clean out your system. So it's not just meant for drug tests, but it will work for drug tests if that's what you guys want. It will instantly clean your system, you guys. I will put a link in the description box so you guys can buy a juice that has Certo in it, you guys. I highly recommend giving this juice a try. So again, the Certo drink, I will put a link in the description. You can try the drink out itself, or what you can do is you can just buy a package of Certo, buy some Gatorade and mix it up. But again, I will put a link in the description box if you guys want to purchase the Certo drink. With the Certo drink, all you have to do is just simply drink the drink. You don't have to add a package of Certo to a Gatorade or anything. You literally just buy the drink and you drink it. That is it, you guys. So end of video. Hopefully I did answer my subscriber question. If you guys have any other questions at all, comment below. I will answer them. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.